I haven't been to any Disneyland except for Hong Kong Disneyland. I did not get inside when I was in Hong Kong because there wasn't time, but I was there around this time, around sunset. And it reminds me so much of Hong Kong Disneyland. There's a show, I think it's a puppet show about the characters of this Magikland, but we don't have time for it anymore. This one looks nice. I want to go up there, to there. Well, I'm up here at the second floor, and in the facade it looks pretty nice, but it's still not ready yet. So it's just a soft opening for now, but we have enjoyed a lot of rides already. That one, that one, that one. I haven't tried that one. Looks exciting. The family swinger. Okay. Okay, what am I taking? The outside? How do we get inside? That's for bigger people?
I'm too lolo.
So how about me?
Grip ka lang po hanggang mag-start.
Okay. Yay! We are about to start. Better be careful with the phone. Here we go! Whoa! We are now accelerating! Oh my goodness! And look at the swing swinging! Look at him having fun! Whoa! Swing swinging! Well, this is my most favorite ride. I felt relaxed actually. I feel like floating in the air. I'm very relaxed. My favorite ride of all rides. What do they mean? Maybe this is a magical entrance to something. I really don't know, but maybe if we watch the show, that will explain this.
Amazing is here. Introducing Magic Money to pay and play the easy way. With Magic Money, all your food, beverages, and additional rides will be paid electronically using our magic wristband system. To load your
So there's the Mount Canlaon River Boat Ride. This is for the little kitties. It's strange though that they've named this Mount Canlaon River Boat Ride. I don't think there's a river up there in Mount Canlaon. But yeah, nice try. It's definitely not for us, so sorry. But this is your Mount Canlaon boat ride. Why did they name this Mount Canlaon? Mount Canlaon is the biggest mountain here in our island, and I don't think there's a river, a navigable river. But yeah, nice try, nice tries. It just goes to show that whoever named this ride doesn't really know what we have here in Negros. The Mount Canlaon River ride. What's this? Can we do this? Looks interesting. What are those swingy, like electric fans? And?
Any last words?
Hello! I'm back! Lift me up! Okay! Alright. Alright, let's do this. So, as usual, as a safety precaution, cell phones are not allowed. No more selfies after this. This is the start pedal for acceleration, and then if you want to move in reverse, full left, and then if you want to move forward, full right, I guess. Okay. Oh, we're about to start. Good luck. That was it. Okay, time for us to go. That was fun. Ah, that was fun.
People on it were with it.
Oh yeah. I hit you several times.
I escaped several times.
It's nice. Looks fun. Oh, no phones allowed either. Ah, looks fun. No phones allowed later.
Ang phone ma'am sa bulsa, ito na lang ma'am.
Okay. Open! Yay! That was fun. That was very mild, but fun. Everybody enjoyed the ride. How did you find it?
I peed in my pants and
Yeah,
the seat
right.
is wet.
Now I still have a 90 peso refund, so I'm getting a refund. Tapos, baon na ni Dito na. After that exhilarating ride, we're now thirsty. Now, what can you say about this Magikland experience?
Yeah, very good, gentle. It's not too extreme, and people like people in the 60s. They survive.
Yeah.
If you can come early in the day, like when they open at 1, it's not too hot. You won't find anyone here, and you could just hop on the ride.
That's
you can even
him.
stop the actual ride for selfies or for whatever. And
Not
now
too many
it's
people.
much busier.
Busier, more crowded. So we've got a lot of people now coming in.
Enjoy the day, and also if you know that you look, the rides at the moment is not too expensive. It's 500 something pesos for the whole for unlimited rides.
We sure had a lot of
If
fun.
you decide you're not a ride person, you just go for a walk, 280 pesos. But so if you do 2 rides roughly, usually they're around 100 pesos. Some are only 50, but so make the math. But look, if it's once kind of probably a lifetime, but it's affordable. I mean, 500. Of course, it's for normal rides in Europe or in Australia or in the US. It's
Still cheap.
really nothing. It's very cheap. But
Very
there are smaller rides, but nevertheless, very, very entertaining.
For all ages.
Yes.
This is
there's
John Award
Super old.
and Holder. Super Holder. Hasta la vista, baby.